What's up everyone, Zach from Finance Bro here, and today we're going to be talking about the top 3 stocks to buy this week in the stock market. We only have 4 trading days this week, so it's going to be a little bit of a lighter one and a little bit easier to actually navigate this market this week. We had a pretty sideways trading week last week, so hopefully we can have some more parabolic moves and make some better gains than we did last week. It was one of our lighter weeks, especially in our Discord, but I expect big things for this week going forward. So let's get into what we're kind of looking into as we go into that. But give me 1 second. Anyways, there we go. Some technical difficulties there. What we'll be going over first is just make sure that you guys join our Discord. How you're going to do that is come down here and click on this button right here. Should be good on mobile or your computer. And then you're going to join this Discord with 17,000 members. We recently passed that threshold. So looking awesome there. About 800 people online at any one given point. So definitely go ahead and get into that Discord. And then also we have a premium section where we give out our live buy and sell alerts. So you're going to be able to get into that by just clicking premium monthly or premium yearly subscription. And if you are watching this video right now, we're giving about 25% off to people who use code YouTube. So thank you guys for watching the videos. You can go ahead and get 25% off for life of our premium monthly membership if that interests you. But anyways, let's get into the rest of the video. So what we're going to start off with here is just kind of a recap of last week. Very light trading week. If you see here, starting on Monday, August 26th, we started out at about 563. I expected us to break through and make new highs last week and kind of have a pretty good, bullish week. However, you can see just over the days, we pretty much traded between 563 and a low of 554 on one day on Wednesday when we had a lot of puts. We made some money off puts, but then kind of just coming right back up to that previous resistance of 563, back down to 556 for a little bit, and then ended the day really good. And even if you come to our Discord here, you could see that we had calls open, so 300%, 126%, and then 18% on a swing we had out. So very solid end to the week, but the whole week just traded so sideways that we weren't able to really make those parabolic gains that we see on some weeks. I'm hoping this week that we see a pretty bullish week, and I'll be trading mostly calls, and we only have 4 days to do it. So that should make it a little bit easier and have a lot more gains to be had. But anyways, let's get into the 3 stocks I'm kind of looking into as we go into this week. And the first one's going to be PFE. If we scroll out here, you can see that PFE had a previous kind of resistance here at $31.50, currently sitting at $29, came all the way down to $28. And over the past couple of weeks, kind of like the market, we've been trading extremely sideways. We're either going to break down towards the downside or break up to the upside. And our key levels here are going to be $28.50. If we dip below $28.50, puts on PFE would be what we'd be doing. But if we break above 29, about 20, just to start the week, I'll definitely be taking a trade on the calls on PFE. And that'll indicate to me that we're going to start a little bit of a upward trend on this stock. Next up, we're going to have Visa. So if we, 1 second, let me reset this chart view. If we scroll out, you can see that Visa's had a very solid run. They broke this resistance at 266, and we've ran all the way to 276. Our previous resistance was about 280. So I would expect us to at least to get to that level this week. So there could be some intraday trading that we can do as we do get to that level. Whether we're going to break that resistance or not, it remains to be seen. But there's some good intraday, 1 to 2 hour trades that could be had on Visa. So definitely looking into that. And then the last stock that we're going to be talking about is going to be Uber. So Uber is a stock that was actually plummeting pretty good here from 74 all the way down to $54 over about the month of August. But then they beat on earnings, surprised by 50%, and then as well as on revenue, beat by 1.25% or 130 million on revenue. So ever since then, they've seen some pretty bullish momentum, but they've kind of stalled out in the $71 to $75 area. If we break this support at the $75 level sometime this week, I would expect Uber to continue its bullish trend upwards. So that's why I'm kind of keeping an eye on this one. My best, stock here, and the one I'm most confident in is going to be PFE. So definitely keep a lookout for PFE. If we break above 29.20, it's a pretty easy one to break, and we will see some pretty good gains up to 30.50 to the $31.50 area, where we can just cash in on 100 to 500% gains. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. But other than that, make sure you guys keep an eye out for other videos this week. Subscribe and join the Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.